All right, guys, the coronavirus quarantine has driven me to do what I'm about to do. Okay, guys, we've been in quarantine for over a month, and I haven't had a haircut in 2.5 months, so we're gonna give this a try. Let's go. Okay, so far, not bad. Okay, we did one side. So far, so good. We're gonna do the next side. All right, I've so far accomplished both sides, not too bad, feeling pretty confident. Now time for the back. I'm gonna need help. Okay, I've enlisted for some help from a professional. There's all my hair. Yep, there it is, all gone. I did good. Thanks for watching. How did I do? Tell me in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and don't try this at home. See you next time.